Hello, my name is Dr. Ruby Bell. I am a professor for EDU 487. I want to welcome you to the class. And today, I would like to review your Moodle course shell. If you will notice, it says Start Here. Please make sure that you introduce yourself in the forum. We have also provided an Ask for the Help forum. You may send me an email if you have questions about anything in your course. You will see that there is a Meet the Professor. Of course, that is me. So if you want to know anything about me, please read my profile of achievement. We also have the syllabus for EDU 487, and I want to remind you that you should review your syllabus, but always remember to follow your Moodle course information. I have provided some assignment guidelines, and if I can open those for you, I will do that. Let's see if we can pull those up. And no, I cannot. Your assignment guidelines are incorrect. Let's see if I can find them for you. I'm sorry. These are your assignment guidelines. Number one, make sure that your name is on all your assignment pages. You might want to create a header because if not, I will of course deduct points if you have not placed your name on your paper. Make sure you copy and paste the instructions and the questions and directions and add them to your assignments before addressing any question or make any comments regarding the assignment. All assignments are due on Sunday of the week they are assigned by 6 o'clock p.m. Attendance is taken on Sunday. Your attendance will be based on your uploaded assignments for that week. Remember, Sunday by 6 p.m. There is a 30-point penalty for late assignments. Make sure that you cite all of your answers. You are not yet professionals. You are not yet authors, so you don't have books. So you are dependent upon what you read. So anytime that you share an answer, make sure you document your sources. Your final exam will be given in week 7. Please note the date that the exam is given. Please take it on that day. It will probably stay open all day. I have not placed a time except for the particular day that I have asked you to complete the assignment. And as always, review your entire Moodle course before you complete any assignments to familiarize yourself with the requirements and the due dates of the course. And please follow the assignments that are posted on Moodle. Okay? All right, let's see if we can go back. Okay. Okay. So you have the introduce yourself form as we stated before. If you need help, please send me an email. And then, of course, this is the attendance. If there are any announcements, just please make sure that you read those. I need you to check your Moodle shell, your Moodle page, your Moodle course every single solitary day because there may be some updates. Very important, I need you to know that each of you, if you're going to student teach, will be required to take the Praxis Professional Assessment for Teachers, better known as the PPAT. The PPAT is a requirement by the state of North Carolina, and the assessment must be completed during student teaching internship. I know you say you're only in EDU 487, but we want you to know this ahead of time. The cost of that assessment is $400. You will have to register for the assessment when it's time to student teach, and you may visit www.ets.org for more information. There are 4 tasks. Task 1 is knowledge of students in the learning environment. Task 2, assessment and data collection to measure and inform student learning. Task 3 is design and instruction for student learning. Task 4 is implementing and analyzing instruction to promote student learning. The discussion of the 4 tasks have been embedded in your education courses. And of course, EDU 487 will discuss task 1. Okay. And do know that there is a passing score that is required by the state of North Carolina. Okay. I have provided for you information that you will need in order to complete the assignments for PPAT Task 1. I have included a sample contextual factors chart, a sample instructional support and resources chart, a sample getting to know your students activity, and a sample communicating with your students' families. You will be required to complete these activities as will be explained to you during week 4. Understanding the contextual factors influencing instruction and student learning, the available resources to enhance student learning, your norms, your protocols, and agreements. These are the guiding prompts that you must read through in order to pass and submit your PPAT Task 1. PPAT Task 1 is not submitted to ETS. Task 2, 3, and 4 are. Task 1 will be graded by your supervising professor when it's time. So we'll go over these. I just want you to see them as a part of your course introduction. I will have a separate video to discuss PPAT Task 1. Week 1, June the 28th through July the 4th, is where do I stand inventory. You are to complete that inventory. It is in your textbook. And of course, you will respond to the Where Do I Stand forum. That is all that you will have to do. And of course, it says a Zoom conference will be posted for the discussion of PPAT Task 1. And of course, I have reiterated here for you the important information about your PPAT assessment. And here is the link for ETS, which will allow you to visit ets.org and study and read about the PPAT. The second week is cultural diversity implications for schools. There is a video, Brown Eyes, Blue Eyes Experiment. You will respond to some questions. There are about 11 questions. You may pick your 5 and respond. And here is a Prezi presentation. You may do a Prezi presentation if you decide that you want to do a Prezi presentation. This link will take you to the directions for the Prezi presentation, or you may do a PowerPoint video. I'm sorry, a PowerPoint. Week 3, I'm asking that you review the chapter and take notes. Please review chapter 9 and make notes. These do not have to be submitted. These are your notes, which will help you pass hopefully your final exam, okay? Week 4, of course, I have placed your assignments for your PPAT, and of course, we will discuss those when it's time. I wanted to back up to week 3 because I have just asked you to read the chapter, so that would give you an opportunity. Read the chapter and take notes, so it will give you an opportunity to work on your PPAT Task 4. okay, for week 4. I'm sorry, PPAT task 1 for week 4. Week 5, laws, policies affecting schools, teachers, and students. Week 6, we're going to talk about student similarities and differences as it relates to exceptional children and gifted children. Week 7, we will continue to talk about student similarities and differences, but we will talk about exceptional children and gifted children and some English language learners. And of course, please remember that your final exam is in week 7. And week 8, you will have some activities for assistive technology and, of course, universal design for learning. Now, um, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. My office hours are Tuesday through Thursday. Office hours are Tuesday through Thursday from 11 to 2. I may be reached at rbell@umo.edu, and my office number is 919-299-4813 during office hours. And as you know, we're not there during the summer. So if you need to reach me, you will have to make contact with me via email. Okay? So I hope that this has been informative for you. Again, if you have questions, you know how to reach me. I do want to let you know that in the past, I have had Zoom classes. I will not have Zoom classes because I had a couple of students to say they thought that this was a online class, so they wanted everything online. So this time, I'm going to try something totally different, and I hope that this will be beneficial for you. I will do my best to post a Zoom where I feel is necessary. I do know that I will post a Zoom for your PPAT, and I will come back on a regular basis. So make sure that you look through and read through your um, course shell, your Moodle shell, look through your syllabus, and see if you have any questions. And if you do, please make sure you send them to me. Okay? I hope this helps out a lot, and I look forward to working with you.